Boy, I haven't played this. I know this is a puzzle game. I don't remember how to do everything on it. We're gonna give it a try. We're gonna give this a try. Zorro was one of well, let's reset this. Zorro was a it was in the same, like, there were like three games. There was Zorro, there was Conan, and there was the Goonies. They kind of all came out at the same time. We've got the old, this is a byproduct of the old analog joystick days. So we want to do this at the rightmost position, fire button, the leftmost position, topmost, and bottommost. That way it knows the all the values of the analog stick that you are dealing with. If I remember correctly, about those 12 seconds of audio are going to get real old. Hit a button here, and let's see. We should be. There's us, the amazing Zorro. Oh, there's a dude coming at me already. There was the fair maiden. We got to catch her. We want to get that handkerchief, but we can't get it there. And I think we have to go up and jump around to go get that. But let's take care of that dude. All right, and let's try that. Oh, I missed it. Let's try it again. And I missed it. Well, let's go stab that dude. So this is a puzzle platform style game. So you don't just go through this like a platform game. Like you can see, there's a chandelier there, and so we want to go down, but we can't go down because this is being blocked, right? And so you have to go. We'll have to go up, and figure out a way to get that chandelier to come down. Also, boy, it's been a long time since I played this, but I remember this is a, you gotta like get the guy to fall off this, and then he shoots you up, maybe. I think we want to leave that way. Can I leave it that way? There we go. Can I climb this tree? Yeah. And then, So I remember, in fact, I have, I got to hold over further. I used to have, when I was a kid, I had, instructions. Oh, maybe I'm going about this the wrong way. Can I go over further? No. Okay. I'm going to try to scoot over a little bit. I had, no. Okay. Let's go see what else we could find. So documentation for a lot of these games was hard to come by. You downloaded a game, and you wouldn't necessarily know how to play it, like as I'm showing on this game, right? And so, like, I downloaded this thing that said, here's how to play Zorro. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, I remember that. And then I had, that stuff was like gold, right? And so, all right, let's go. Yeah. Ha-ha! Look at that. Success. I made it over here. And then I could go down here and keep going, because there's a wall down there on the right side of that sofa. And so I had found a file that said, here's how to play Zorro, and it told you how to beat. Oh, see, look, you got to get that. See, there's the drawbridge, and there's your fair maiden up there. I guess that's a fair maiden. It kind of just looks like a bird, maybe, or something. I think if I try to jump over there, I'll die. Let's see what happens. Badonk. So now you've got to figure out a way to get over to her, and so that's the whole point of the game. And I remember, this is look at that. I turned into an angel. That guy stabbed me good. Where if you the documentation, not the documentation, but like how to beat the game was such a short file. It was just like, go to this screen, do this, go to this screen, do this, and what order did you have to do everything in what order. It just, it amazes me now, to see how quickly you could have beat those games. If you just knew the right things to do in the right order, which I never did. I would play Zorro, for 100 years and be like, oh, this is the world's longest game. And then you read the instructions and people go, no, I gotta keep thinking I can jump on that little one, but I cannot. For I am Zorro. Also, diagonal on this analog stick is not the world's easiest thing. Oh, I can't go that way. All right. Well. And these guys regenerate, so they're not. It's not really the guys are just a hindrance. The enemies are the hindrance. The enemies are never the point. What am I supposed to do here? I feel like I'm supposed to run and jump that way. Yeah, there we go. And then run and jump that way. So it is someone said similar to Bruce Lee. It kind of has that Bruce Lee vibe. Oh yeah, and so we can't go over this way. We can't go there because there's a wall there, a door. So doo-doo-doo. I seem to recall, I don't remember, but you had to do something with this teeter-totter. Well, that's not it. But you have to get the guy to fall off, and then you shoot yourself up, and then you would get up there. You get on that little flagpole there and swing around. Yeah, I think that is a lady of the night there. All right, let's see if I could. Oh. All right. So I would say, Goonies had a lot of. Goonies is kind of the next version of this, because Goonies has 2-player action, right? And so on Goonies, you have to work together and get like one player to do something and then another player to do something. At what point do I need to jump? There we go. Okay, now can I go? Oh, that guy tried to de-Zorro me. Can I get over there? No. Oh dear. Oh, I remember that. Okay, I remember. Yeah, those are that's a fireplace bellow there, and you got to go jump on that to get this fire going. And then the fire in the fireplace makes something rise. We'll try to do that. Can I get over this way? Let's see here. Oh. I don't really want to do that. Maybe I did want to do that. Oh, here we go. All right, let's go get this done over here. Looks like it completely locked up again. I wonder. I've updated my MiSTer, but anyway, this is Zorro. That's the game of Zorro. If like I said, if you go get the walkthrough that tells you what to do, it's not that difficult to beat. I seem to remember it's like maybe a 10 to 12 minute game. It's something that you can get through relatively quickly.